Message to my beloved Malaysians by AZLAN ADNAN MA. Happy Chinese New Year, Malaysia, and Ramadan Kareem to our Muslim friends. May these overlapping blessings pull us closer, not just in slogan, but in real life. Both seasons remind us that food, family, and quiet gratitude are really all we need. Swap kui mengkal for ketupat on each other's tables, and swap dragon dance stories over iftar drinks. Malaysia already breathes hybrid joy. So this is not a clash of calendars. It is a reminder that we were built to share. And today, I also want to wish every Malaysian a happy Valentine's Day. Not the loud commercial kind, but the simple kind that honors affection, loyalty, and gentleness. Valentine's Day at its best is not about romance alone. It is about the universal values that keep a society human. Kindness, patience, forgiveness, and the courage to love people even when it is inconvenient. For Malaysians, that matters deeply. Because in a country of many races, many faiths, and many histories, love is not a poem. It is a daily practice. Love is checking in on your neighbor. Love is giving way in a queue. Love is refusing to turn politics into hatred. Love is also restraint. It is choosing not to insult, not to humiliate, not to inflame, even when you could. Now let's give this lunar year its proper name. It is not just the year of the horse. It is the year of the fire horse, not a quiet animal. A horse born in heat, in sparks, in momentum, in movement that refuses to stay still. Tradition says fire years carry intensity. Quick decisions, fast emotions, doors that slam and then reopen wider. Perfect timing, isn't it? Ramadan teaches us to breathe slowly when the sun blisters, to let thirst carve out patience, to let hunger teach humility. The fire horse says charge. It says speak up. It says if you want the prize, you grab the reins. Put them side by side and the push-pull becomes beautiful. You run hard all day, and you kneel gently at dusk. You shout greetings at the pasar, and you murmur thanks when the call to prayer rolls in. That's Malaysia in real time. We are a country that cooks curry in mamak stalls, pours teh tarik under red lanterns, sells dodol next to mooncakes, and somehow makes it all feel normal. So tonight, let kids chase firecrackers while adults trade ayam goreng tales for char siu stories. Let every auntie judge your rendang next to her own pineapple roll recipe, then sneak you an extra piece anyway. Let the fire horse's heat melt awkward silences between races into easy jokes. Let it turn suspicion into familiarity and familiarity into friendship. And when you're done eating, because we will always eat first, take a slow walk. Watch red lanterns flicker against mosque lights and feel the air thick with incense and anticipation. That's not harmony on paper. That's harmony sweating, breathing, alive. Selamat Tahun baru Cina. Selamat berpuasa. And happy Valentine's Day, Malaysia. May the fire horse gallop us forward without burning the bridges we still need at sunset.